Hello, welcome to the Helpful Channel. Today we are going to unbox and set up the Sanitaire Tradition SC679K. Got the owner's manual. Got the safety instructions. And the whole vacuum just comes out in one big chunk. Like this. Ooh, look at that. Here's the shakeout bag. And let's everything looks like pieces connect like this. Here's our two cord clips. Go here. Does it go like this? Not exactly too sure. Let's see. Oh, this is the bottom one, I think. But, okay, we have these. And this screw goes into here. There, and I set that up. Now let's see. It has to be like that. And then down here, you see this latch? Put it, stretch it until you can latch that on. little stiff. Ah, there we go. Now, set up with the Sanitaire Tradition SC679K is complete. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to never miss a new video.